Hey guys, my name is Rohit. So in this tutorial we're going to looking at FTP and SFTP protocols. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It is a standard internet protocol for transmitting files between computers on the internet over TCP/IP connections. FTP is a client-server protocol that relies on two communication channels between client and server. First channel is the command channel and data channel. Second channel is data channel. The command channel is for controlling the conversation and data channel is for transmitting file content. First, the clients initiate conversations with servers by requesting to download a file. Using FTP, a client can upload, download, delete, rename, move and copy files on a server. Whereas SFTP stands for Secure File Transfer Protocol. It is a secure form of FTP protocol. If you look at the figure here, this is the normal FTP and below one is SFTP. In normal FTP, you're sending a file. Suppose, let's say a file, you're sending a file directly to the server. But when you look at here SFTP, you're sending a file and this file, the text in the file is being encrypted here by SFTP. Now a secure text is going over the internet, and when it reaches to the server has a decryption algorithm and it decrypts that secure text and it will get converted into plain text. This is how the SFTP works. It is more secured over the internet. So that's pretty much it from FTP and SFTP protocols. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.